Welcome back to our channel, people. I'm Andre from By Nature Food, and today we're going to be making a rum punch. Absolutely adore this drink. Something for carnival, even just at home nowadays. But my God, this drink here literally always gives me nothing but compliments. Time and time again, the warm ginger that comes through, it fires you up. Trust me, you're gonna love this drink. So let's get started. Drink this all day. I'm so impressed by this rum punch. It's perfect. The coconut rum, and the ginger, the orange, honestly combines together perfectly. It's like I'm on holiday. I need to try this recipe. It's amazing. So if you like it, let us know in the comments below and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video.